evening, Mr. Usher.
Where's the tower with the gold ball on top? Would you show me where it is?
What would you give me if I do?
What do you want?
Money, of course.
I haven't got any money. Oh, that's that then, isn't it? But Clara has. And I'm sure she'll give me some.
Who's Clara?
She lives here.
It'll cost you tuppence.
All right. What's that thing you're holding?
A concertina.
What does it do?
Plays music, of course.
How do I get in?
I don't know.
Wait for me, just in case I can't find my way back.
Cost you another tuppence.
Very well. Aren't there any trees at all in Frankfurt?
Because I think trees have more sense than to live here in Frankfurt.
Thank you for showing me the way back.
Hey, where's my fourpence?
I'll get it for you.
There you are, miss. Come on.
Oi, my fourpence!
And what do you want?
My fourpence.
Your fourpence.
That's what she owes me.
Who does?
Clara.
Miss Clara to you. And for your information, Miss Clara never goes out into the street. She can't even walk. How could she possibly owe you fourpence?
It wasn't her who promised me. It was the other girl.
What girl?
Brown hair, sort of, red dress.
Ah, that girl. And this would be yesterday afternoon, right?
That's right.
I suppose you'd best come in.
Hello, Heidi. Hello, grandfather.
Welcome back, sir. Thank you, Sebastian. Is all well?